channel. This is your host Mahathi. So welcome back to another video of Maintenance Monday with Mahathi. I know I'm not being consistent with these videos because I really don't have context to be shown, and mainly I don't have the tools to show any maintenance on my own bike. So what I'm doing is, whenever I'm getting a problem on my bike, or whenever I have, like in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a chain. This is the first time I'm doing it. So in this way, instead of running always to Hyderabad, I'm trying to find, or I'm trying to buy some new tools, and then I'm trying to repair them myself. Now I have to change the chain, so I've got the tools required for it. So likewise, I'm trying to build up my own workshop. So let's not waste time and let's get started with the video. So first of all, let's talk about why we need to change the chain. Because chain is a metal, and also your cassette is metal, your chain ring is metal. So as you keep riding and as the time goes on, the chain is gonna wear out. So once the chain is worn out, you need to change it to save your cassette and your chain ring. Chain ring usually doesn't wear out that easily, but if you keep riding your worn out chain, it's gonna damage your cassette and also your chain ring, which doesn't come for cheap. Trust me. It's better to invest on chain rather than investing on your cassette. And ideally for a rider, it's always good to change the chain once you ride for 2500 to 3000 kilometers. So now let me show you all the tools which are required to change a chain. So the very first thing is this chain wear checker, or you can call it as chain wear tester or just a chain checker, whatever it is. We have different names for it. And I've got this from Decathlon because this was pretty cheap with Decathlon. So on this tool you will have three indications, that is 50%, 75% and 100%. So a few other company tools will have like if I say Buzzman, there is Park Tools, there are Ice Tools. So there are many other companies as well. So they might have some other measurements such as 0.5, 0.75 or 1. But I do have a 50, 75 and 100. And the next tool you will need is this chain link pliers, we can say. But if you have a quick link, then only you will need this. Otherwise you will need a chain breaking tool. But however, we need a chain breaking tool because once we remove the chain, we need to check length of the chain with the new one. So we might need the chain breaking tool then. The chain checker and the pliers I've got from Decathlon because they were really cheap over there. And I do have a chain breaking tool with the multi-tool actually. So if we remove this, so I have a CO2 cartridge, and this one here is a chain breaking tool. I'll show you how to use it. And of course you will need a new chain when you're replacing the old chain. So this is a Shimano 11-speed chain or Ultegra chain, which also I've got from the Bike Affair, which is in Hyderabad. Actually the one which I have on my bike is a super light one that is very light in weight when compared to this one. First of all, let's use this chain wear tester and check how much wear is in my chain. So first I'm gonna check the 50% side. So I'm slowly going to insert the chain and let's see. Yeah, so the 50% side is completely gone inside. Now let's check the other side, that's 75%. So it's on the other side. So let's put it here, and the one is here, but the 75% one is not completely gone inside. That means I can use it a little bit more, but no, I'm gonna change it right now. So now let's remove the chain from the bike. So first of all, let me put on some gloves and then let's get started with the very first step while removing a chain is you have to change the chain to the biggest chain ring and to the smallest cog in the rear. That means overall it should be in the biggest gear which your bike has. So, and then you need to search for a small quick link which will be on your bike. Let me show you how it looks. This is called as a quick link. You have to search for something like this and get it down here. Just take the pliers, hold the chain, put it between two other chain links, and just that. While removing the chain, just hold it tight because it's gonna repel once you leave it. So slowly leave it like that. Now the chain came off. You can see both the ends. Other side of the chain link, this one is a loose part. For now I'm removing the chain and replacing it, so even if I lose it, there's no problem. But if you want to remove the chain for cleaning, that time just make sure that you don't lose this part, because that's important one to put your chain back in. So before removing the chain from the drivetrain, just remember the way you are removing it. Like, these are the jockey wheels, so which side of the jockey wheel is the chain, just remember that one. The down one is on the outer side, but for the upper one it's on the inner side. So just remember this, and that'll be easier to put the chain back on. So this is my old chain, so just don't throw it away because you need to know what is the number of links so that you can match this on the new chain, and if it's bigger you can break it. I have 108 links on my chain, including the quick link. This will be an accurate process, but if you don't want to do that, you can hold your new chain and old chain side by side and just measure the length and cut it off. I'm gonna take my new chain and I'm gonna count what is the links I need, and I'm gonna break the chain. Now let me show you what's the difference between both of them, between the super light and the normal chain. So if you see both the chains, there's gap in between the links, that makes it super light, but this is a normal chain with there are no gaps in between. So I have counted the links on my old chain as well as my new chain, and also I have matched the length by keeping them side by side. Excluding the chain link, my new chain has 115 links and my old chain has 107 links. I have to subtract 8. Take the chain and let's count the links where we have to break the chain. So this is the exact point where I need to break. Place the link over here. From this hole over here, we need to just keep rotating it. So now I got hold of that link and we need to apply a little bit of pressure over here so that the chain breaks. Yep. Now let's rotate it a little more so that the link inside it comes out from the other side. Yeah, let's rotate it back and remove the chain. So now I'm gonna quickly clean the chain ring cassette and my jockey wheels, and then I'll get back to you. The chain should be outer side of the jockey wheel, which is down, and inner side of the jockey wheel, which is up here. So just hold it in this way and put it on to the smallest cog. Get it from inside the derailleur and put it back onto the chain ring. Let's take the quick links and put it on the either side of the chain. So to put back the chain onto the bike, first thing you'll need a hook like this. This is called a chain hook that holds the chain together so that you can put the quick link in the correct place. Just pull the chain in this way, also from the other side, and use this hook to hold the chain in this way, and that's it. Pull the two parts of the quick link together and insert this chain revert into the quick link. If you pull the chain, usually the quick link goes back to the proper position, but in Shimano chain it's actually pretty hard to do, so I'm going to show you a easy way to bring back the chain revert to the position. Bring this chain link to the upper side of the drivetrain. Now hold both the brakes of your bike and just try to pedal forward, and that's it. This way the chain link comes back to its proper position. So that's all for today, and that is how you change your chain on the bike. And just make sure a few things, that you count the number of chain links correctly, just to avoid extra charges or something like that. So yeah, I'll try to keep posting the Maintenance Monday videos regularly. I'll try, like if I have a context, I'll surely shoot it and I'll put it on the channel. And please do check out our previous maintenance videos, and if you have any suggestions that on what I need to do with the maintenance videos, please comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next videos. Until then, haste raho, hasate raho, jahan bhi raho, muskurate raho. Goodbye, take care.